Hi, this is Kevin Smiley with the Smiley's Dolls and Collectibles. We're a vintage toy store in Cincinnati, Ohio. And I was just going to do a quick video on how to fix the actual sound motor component of the Imperial Shuttle, the Return of the Jedi Emperor Shuttle. So this is a part that's not actually part of the shuttle. It's just a spare part, just to kind of give you a look of what it looks like inside the back. I loaded it up with batteries. You're going to have two things that happen with these older ships. Either it's going to have a lot of corrosion, you're going to have to use baking soda and vinegar. I guess a toothbrush is a good tool for that. Or an SOS pad also can help with that if there's corrosion. If it's clean, chances are you'll be able to get the motor started. It's just a matter of that it hasn't started it in 30 years. So I'll flip this over. Most of the ships are kind of hard to get, or they're not hard to get to, but you're going to have to take screws out to get to the motor to be able to even do this, which you could just use your hand to start it while you push the button down. So it's not too difficult. Some of the ships only have like 5 screws. Some have, I don't know, I want to say like 8 or 10, I know. This one I just had a bad experience with opening it up and having springs pop out and stuff like that. So I was happy to find this fix, which you don't need to open it up at all, especially if the compartment is clean. So you load your batteries in. I kind of showed you, sorry, I'm doing this all with one hand, but if you, these two middle pieces I'm going to pinch together. That's the way it's supposed to sound. And basically what you want to do is you don't want to use a twist tie, you want to use a zip tie. These zip ties about this size have teeth on them. So you can put it through this last hole, and as you're pushing the button down, which I'll show in a minute, basically push the button down and go back and forth on the motor, basically on the gear right here. The teeth will catch on to the teeth on the gear and just move it enough, hopefully. It might take a minute, it might take 10 minutes, but eventually it should start. With mine, it only took basically 30 seconds for it to work. So I'll cut this video right here and show you the back of this Imperial ship. So, okay, so this is the back of my Imperial shuttle. I'll stand back here a little bit. This is what it looks like. It's a big ship, and there's some parts inside and stuff like that. But again, you don't have to. This is the main button that you push down. Now, when I first pushed that button down, it did not work at all. And I was thinking it would be nice to be able to get to the motor without actually having to open up the ship. I know there's a lot of listings on eBay and online of ships saying not working. I don't know if those ships have, corroded compartments, or if they're clean and they just push the button and gave up on it. But if you stick this zip tie down in this hole, just go back and forth, you'll catch those ridges of that gear, and eventually it should start fine, like mine did. So again, just zip tie probably could be a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller, as long as you can get to it so you can reach it and go back and forth. That should work for you. So yeah, that's my quick little Imperial shuttle, how to get it started. I haven't seen any videos online. I'm sure in forums they probably mentioned maybe something of this as a fix, but I figured I'd just post this out on YouTube just for those people who, like me, sometimes go YouTube and look for ways to fix things. So hope you enjoyed it. Again, my name's Kevin Smiley. We have a store in Cincinnati, Ohio. So we see a lot of Star Wars stuff. It's called O Smiley's Dolls and Collectibles. And yeah, like our Facebook page. And that's it. Thanks.